Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 2 of the worksheet on chapter 2 for the intermediate algebra class. Objective: graphing a line given its equation in standard form. Graph the line x plus y equal to 3. The equation in standard form is in the form ax plus by equal to c, meaning x and y are on one side and a constant on the other side. That's the way the given equation looks like. So the equation is in standard form. If the equation is given in standard form, how would you graph the line is the question. So whenever the equation is given in standard form, there are two ways to do it. One, to bring the equation in slope-intercept form, like y equal to mx plus b, and do the problem. The other one is to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept and plot the points, plot the 2 points on the x and y axis and then connect them by means of a line. So that is exactly what we are going to do in the problem, to find the x and y intercept of this equation, of this line. So what is the x-intercept? X-intercept is the point where the graph crosses the x-axis. So because the graph is crossing the x-axis, any point on the x-axis would be some number, 0, meaning y-coordinate is 0. So set the y to 0 and solve for x. So when you, in x plus y equal to 3, set y equal to 0. So x plus 0 equal to 3 or x equal to 3. So the x-intercept is the ordered pair. If you write in the form of x comma y, x is 3, y is 0, because we set y equal to 0. So the y coordinate has to be 0. Then what is a y-intercept? Y-intercept is a point where the graph crosses the y-axis. So because it's a point on the y-axis, its x-coordinate would be 0. So set the x to 0 in the given equation. So in the given equation, you're going to set the x to 0. So 0 plus y equal to 3 or y equal to 3, which means y-intercept, if you write as an ordered pair, it is 0, 3. So x-intercept is 3, 0, y-intercept is 0, 3. So you have to plot these points on the graph. So it is 3, 0, x-intercept, 0, 3 is the y-intercept. You're going to connect these two by means of a line. So that is the equation of the line. The important thing here is to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept and mark them as ordered pairs and also plot them on the graph. Show them and label these points and then connect them by means of a line. We will see a similar example. We will see another example of the same objective. So we are going to see an additional example of the same objective. Graph the line y plus 4x equal to -1. This equation is in standard form because the equation is in the form ax plus by equal to c. Both x and y are on the same side and the constant is on the other side. So as we did the earlier problem, we are going to find out the x-intercept, meaning where the graph crosses the x-axis. So we set the y to 0 in the original equation. So y equal to 0 plus 4x equal to -1. So what is x equal to? So divide both sides by 4. So we get x equal to -1 by 4. So the x-intercept in terms of an ordered pair is -1 by 4, 0. Then what is the y-intercept? Meaning where the graph crosses the y-axis. So set the x to 0 in the original equation given in the problem. So y plus 4 times 0 equal to -1 or y equal to -1. 4 times 0 is 0. So y equal to -1. So if you write that as an ordered pair, y-intercept is an ordered pair. always x coordinate first, which is 0 here. So you notice x equal to 0. The y coordinate is -1. So that is the y-intercept. So the graph crosses the x-axis at -1/4, 0 and the y-axis at 0, -1. So we will plot these 2 points on the graph. Being a very small quantity, it's going to be 1/4 on the left, negative side of x-axis. So it's 1/4 somewhere here. So it is -1/4, 0. And the other point is 0, -1. That is on the y-axis, 0, -1. So going to connect these 2 points. Should be a straight line. Joining these 2 points. Hope this video helps.